And I don't know if it's working or not. Yeah. Okay, views are here. So again, as I always do, जो मैं हमेशा करती हूँ, तो हम 2-3 minutes silence रखने वाले हैं for the people who are joining. And hello, namaste, welcome. And I don't know if it's working or not. Yeah. Okay, views are here. So again, as I always do, जो मैं हमेशा करती हूँ, तो हम 2-3 minutes silence रखने वाले हैं for the people who are joining. And hello, namaste, welcome welcome with me. So let's have some fun. Okay. So 2 minutes of silence for everybody. Whoever's joining. Finally. I welcome everybody over here and have a lovely day today. And it's a lovely evening and I'm in Delhi right now. So I'm giving 2 minutes silence for the people who are joining. So let it cross 500 and I'll start talking because there's a lot to talk. Cutest girl in the world. Thank you, Nikhil. So again, 2 minutes silence for the people who are joining in. Again, namaste and welcome. And over here, so everybody whoever is joining in, you guys need to know that you have to download the Woo app right now. Download it, and there is a lot to talk about this app. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm here easily. And 2 minutes again silence for the people who are coming in and people who are joining. Mom. Go ahead, stay with me. And thank you for all the compliments I'm getting. Thank you. What is the topic? So the people are asking what is the topic. It is what women want. So let's talk about that. And my main motive is over here to talk about Woo. Woo, it's a let's stop dating masterclass. So we're going to talk about that. So again, 2 minutes more left I guess and then we're done. And मैं फिर शुरुआत करूँगी. And हाँ, मैं दिल्ली में हूँ. बहुत दिन तक हूँ मैं दिल्ली में. So everybody who was joining in, welcome. And here I am in Delhi at the Woo office and we have बहुत सारे to talk about आज. So हम बहुत सारा बात करने वाले हैं about Woo, the app. So Woo, let's talk dating masterclass app. So guys, download it now if you've not downloaded it. So I think few seconds more and then we start. And I'm going to show you this office. So another I think 10 to 12 seconds and then we start and okay तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. I'm here in Delhi at the Woo office and मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ कि मैं कहाँ पर आई हूँ and the entire office I'm going to show you. So I think let's take the camera and you guys come with me. Okay. So here we are. This is the Woo office and over here this is a very sexy, like very nice wall where I think people have put their landmark. I'm also going to do this. I hope they allow me to wear this. And people have signed and written lots of nice things over here. So come, let's go to the office. So this is the Woo office. You can pan. So are you guys excited that I'm here in your office? Yeah. So this is the Delhi spirit. Yeah. Delhi बहुत ठंडा है, बॉम्बे और भी ज़्यादा मजेदार है. Gurgaon spirit. Gurgaon spirit. Sorry, it's Gurugram. Okay, so I'm going to show you around. This is the Hearty wall because when I came here, I was like, oh, it's the pretty funny way. It's very cute. And this is, I don't know which wall, but it looks damn nice. Okay, so that's about it. This is the Woo office in Delhi. So come with me. And see, these are the people who are standing over here. These are the people who are not working right now. Working time pass. So these are the people who are behind, you guys sending questions and they are telling me कि read करो इतने सारे आ रहे हैं. A lot of questions have come, a lot of answers and everything, and I'm so glad. Thank you guys so much for all your love because बहुत सारे आए and everybody is like, oh my god, इतने सारे answers आ रहे हैं. So it gives me huge. Like, I feel so proud of myself. You guys are doing so much for me. So thank you so much. I'm telling you, when I entered the office, I was really proud because they were like, oh, you still up. I'm like, yes, here I am. So come, I'm going to be here and I want to tell you a lot about me. So let's face the camera.
Always 1 to 5.
Okay, so here I am again, and my topic was what women want. So here I have my 10-point sheet that I had about what women really want. So I would begin with the first point कि take a hint. अगर एक लड़की बोले कि मुझे भूख लग रही है, तो आपको you have to like okay, do you want to go out? Do you want something? Let's go. She says, listen, बस कपड़े नहीं है. So that means she wants to go shopping. And if she says she's hungry, means get her food right now. So take a hint. That is the first point. So wait, I've actually written it down. So this is like the first point, okay, of my topic, what women want with Neeti Taylor. So now the second point is we are unique. Now, please remember this, guys. You have to know this. A girl doesn't like to be compared with anybody, be your mother, your sister, your ex-girlfriend, your friends. Do not compare her with anybody. She hates it. Every girl is different, though there'll be similarities, but that's about it. Every girl is very different, and never compare her. That's like a no. So we are unique. Second point. We are unique. So you guys need to remember, we are unique. So now the next one is offer to pay the bill. The third point. So offer to pay the bill is like every girl is independent. She's like nee, don't pay and everything. But वो ना थोड़ा respect या थोड़ा you need to have the chivalry. So I'll just offer. That offering will mean a lot to her. So you guys need to just offer. Even if you don't have money, just offer. Though she'll also say let's just Dutch in. Let's do Dutch the 50-50 जो भी होता है. So offer to pay. Do not forget. It really matters a lot. It shows you're from a good family. Okay, so now the fourth point is small surprises. मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ छोटी खुशियाँ relationship के लिए, friendship के लिए बहुत ही important होती हैं. Small surprises. It's like, as I said, she says she's hungry. So you know what? You can actually make Maggie for her. I'm telling you, it'll mean a lot to her. Even if you just post a picture on a social site and write something really sweet, I'm telling you, you will make her day, you'll make her week, you'll make her month. She'll be really happy. Small things really matter in a relationship. Even if you remember a date and get her a rose and say, this is for you, have a good day, or good morning. Even if you just actually these sticky notes, you just write something, I'm telling you, it really means a lot to a girl. So as I said, small surprises, छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ. So now befriend her friend.